The beautiful day in Ruidoso. Oh, wait, no. We are in Texas. What the hell? That is amazing. Buenos dias, people. I look a mess. I am tired. I'm gonna fix this. I gotta go to work. So, and now I'm done. Ready. Alright, getting ready. It's a beautiful day. I want to just take a sled and go through there before it melts because this is going to melt. We are in Texas. This is going to melt. Morning! Dude, look outside. It's still there. I want to just take a sled, go to that park over there, and just, or like a freaking top, I don't care what we use, but just drag one of us. Ah, nope, missed it. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Oh, I didn't know. You want to take his? This is amazing. Got me a morning breakfast. Let's go. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho. Just those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ding, ding, lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling, friends are calling you. Come on, come on, come on. Lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you, with you, with you. Giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's go. We're riding the wonderland. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand. Just hold your hand. We're riding on with the sun up, just with those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ding, ding, lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling, friends are calling you. Come on, come on, come on. Lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you, with you, with you. Giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's go. We're riding the wonderland. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand. Just hold your hand. We're riding on with the sun up, victory blaring. Our cheeks are red. Maddie made it to work fine. There he is working. I'm waiting on a call from Donna, which is the person that helps us make our orders. I'm wearing my old high school t-shirt. Like, this thing is awesome. I don't wear it much because it's pretty old, but I don't know. Today I felt like I needed to wear it. Plans for today. Plans for today are work, 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 and work. Do we have any plans for today other than work? We're not going out or anything, right? Yeah, I just want to stay home, probably catch a couple movies, but we do have a really important thing. We're going to the last Cars and Coffee that's going to be at the Oasis because they got too big for that area that they were doing. Sadly, I think it's going to be moving up north, so we're not going to be able to go to the Cars and Coffee anymore. What do you think about that? Just woke up. He just woke up. So right now, me and Mowdy are both going to go do some deposits and then get some lunch because we are hungry. We're gonna get some quesadillas from the best place in town. So we are officially done with today. I'm with Mowdy. We're heading home. He's gonna go do his exhaust. If he had a vlog, he would show you that. but he doesn't. You really should make a vlog, or at least a car video. This dude does some amazing stuff with his car, like, as you can hear it. That's nice. Anyway, he's gonna drop me off. I'm gonna go have dinner with my aunt, and I'm probably gonna go out with a friend of mine, just take a drive, just chill. She just got back from Houston. She's been going through a lot. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog, because, you know, I mean, I'll ask her, but if not, it's cool. So, hope you're enjoying today's vlog so far.
Yo iba a ir, pero ay no, dije ya fui ayer y ahora otra vez no.
So you guys can probably barely see me, let alone hear me, but I got some great news about the venue. It looks like we just signed the contract, and Fear the Walking Dead, I don't know if you guys watched that show, is going to be filming in front of us, so they're going to be using our venue for like the film crew stuff. That's really freaking awesome. I didn't even think that was going to happen. Me and my brother Hector, we're going right now to set up for what are we setting up for?
It's gonna be a quinceañera.
Just a simple quinceañera, so we're gonna just set up a couple of tables. Shouldn't take us more than 45 minutes to an hour. And yeah, and then go to bed. Well, me, I'm probably gonna take a look at all my homework, because I kind of put it off when I went to go see my friend and my aunt. Priorities. So I just got done feeding this little guy. Hey, kitty. Yeah, we have him here on the property to help out. Eyes are crazy. So I am currently having to go into the back and get the rest of the chairs. It's cold. I'm alone. Damn right creepy. No wonder Fear the Walking Dead wants to film here. I'm kidding. This place is super nice. Actually, it just sucks being alone in the dark. Well, this stupid lock gave me so much goddamn trouble. It's not even funny. All right, check this out. Some snow from the other day. It's still here. It's so awesome. So I'm guessing this didn't get a lot of sun, even with direct sunlight, but you can see all the little particles. It's still iced over. That is awesome. Little fountain. But what I came here to get is a chair. Alright, I got the tables. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Kind of ended there because I went home, got some sleep. It was super late, got back by 2 o'clock, and I was exhausted, so I just knocked out. Hope you enjoyed that vlog. I had some pretty good bits in it. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Leave a like, rating, subscribe. See you soon.